Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T, man, another video today, and we got iPhone 10R accessories, man. We're going to go ahead and get into the Rhinoshield impact protection. Now, if you haven't known about Rhinoshield, man, I don't know where you've been because that is my go-to case. I will leave the link to their case lineup review video that I did maybe like a week ago. But they always send screen protectors over here. Now they do send a front screen protector and there is a back screen protector. So let's go ahead and take a look at both of these. Let's go ahead and we're going to flip this upside down because we're going to use this where we actually do the install. And the first thing we're going to take a look at is the back protector. Now you already know in my cases, I run back protectors because I like to keep my devices in a pristine condition. So this is what I run on my back connection. Now you flip it over, they are talking about some heavy duty protection when they come to their screen protectors. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I don't even think they're glass. So that's saying a lot. As you see, 6 layers of protection, and you can pause it. Fingerprint resistant, scratch resistant, impact dispersion, impact dampen, high strength, zero residue adhesive. And I mean, hey, look, absorb 5 times more impact energy than normal screen protectors. And they do have a video demo and they got a hammer. So you already know what's going on with this protection. But let's go ahead and jump into it. And let's let's install it on camera, man. And you know these installations are a little tough behind camera, man. But I'm gonna try to do my best for y'all, man. So you see it has like a little pull tab. So we're gonna put it out, set this to the side. So here's that classic black and gold Rhinoshield presentation. So let's take this out. Now they do have a little installation, how to apply. And you know, we going for what we know, man. You already know I don't read no instructions, man. We going straight in. So you do get a little squeegee little card to smooth those bubbles out. So you already know we're gonna need that. Here is the actual screen protector itself. Now it is, you know, it is a plastic style screen protector, but they're telling you this bad boy can take up some, it can take up some stuff, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, see how this actually fits. Put that there to the side. And let's see what's in here. We get just a cloth. So all we get is a cloth there. We don't really get no alcohol swabs. I was looking forward to getting some alcohol swabs, but I guess they say we don't really need one, man. So let's go ahead and give the back a quick wipe down. Get rid of these fingerprints because you already know how these fingerprints go on these phones. So let's give the back a wipe down real quick. In the back protector, I'm not so much anal like the front because the back is usually covered up by a case for me. So I'm never usually super duper anal when it comes to the back protection. So just to wipe it down here completely. Now we're going to take their dust shield. Now I do love when they give you a full dust shield. Like this thing is like a full piece of paper. Like this is not just like a little sheet. This is the real deal. Now I'm pretty sure I could be using this wrong, but look, I'm not getting too detailed. We're just going to run it across the back. Make sure all of your dust is off of here. All right, cool. We're gonna set that to the side. Now, let's take off the screen protector. Now, it does have a side and it does have a B side. So let's go ahead and start off with the A. Let's peel that off here. All right, now it does have holes lined up right here. So we're just gonna try my best. Now, this is behind camera, so let's see how I can do, man. This is always tough right here for me. Behind camera, but let's drop it down. Now I'm not even spot on. I'm not even straight on, so the angle could be off. But let's drop it down there. That looks pretty decent right there. So let's take our little squeegee card once you get it up there, and let's just run it down and let's just squeegee it out. If any bubbles are in it, but I don't really see that many bubbles in the installation. A little bit down there, and you know, you just want to hit these bubbles and these troubled areas. That's a little off, but you know, I'm doing it behind camera, man. Everything can't be perfect. But let's peel this off. And here is that rear screen protector, man. Rear impact protection from Rhinoshield. So here it is. That's basically the rear screen protector. Now, like I said, they say a scratch, impact, everything is resistant when it comes to this. But once this installs, it's pretty nice. And like I said, I'm a little crooked right there where the little ports are, but it's kind of hard doing this thing behind camera, man. But here it is, not too bad. Take your time. I'm sure you can get it lined up just perfectly. So let's go ahead and flip this, clean this desk off, flip it over, and let's go ahead and install that front screen protector. All right, so next up, here it is, screen protector. Now this is for the front, so I assume the presentation is basically going to be the exact same. So let's go ahead and get up in here, the same little pull tab. And the same presentation, just like the rear protector, except it's going to be on the front. So let's flip this around to the right side, because that's how I usually work my screen protectors. Now, we don't really have to go over this. We get the same thing. We get our squeegee card. We get our actual screen protector here. And we do get another sticker and another microfiber. So you already know. Let's go ahead and wipe this front down. Cool. That's good enough for me for right now. Let's set this back down. Let's go ahead and take that sticker. And boom, let's remove this sticker here and just pop it on your screen. If you see any dust or debris, then this is what you want to do. You want to take it off. So let's just boom, pop it on the screen a few times to get that up off of there. Cool. Now I'm doing this blindly because I can't tell under these lights. Like I said, behind camera, it's kind of really hard to tell. But same deal, man. We get that A side and we get that B side. So let's go ahead and take that A off. Boom, boom. And let's lay it down, man. Now, this is going to be very tough because I did turn the phone off. So I'm trying to see if I can see the actual notch and line it up and go from there. And this is a little tough. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn this bad boy on so I can see where I'm going. So we're going to let this boot up. And this is something that you might want to do too. I'm going to stay right here because I don't want to lift my screen protector up and get dust up here. But sometimes it's easier to turn your screen off. But when you have these cell phones with these notches, you might want to leave them on so you can kind of get a guide to what's going on. And you can kind of get your placement right. So let's go ahead and turn this on real quick so I can get my background on. And then the notch will pop up. And then we can go ahead and line it up. So here it is. And let's now line it up with the notch. I'm going to do a drop down right there. That's not the best install, but you kind of get an understanding of what's going on and how it's installed, man. So this is what this is for, man. You know me, I'm super anal with screen protectors, but this here is just to give you an idea of what these protectors are actually looking like. So here it is. That's a little rough copy of it, man. You know how my videos are. We going just rough with it, but overall, there it is on the 10R. So here is the front screen protector. Now I do got a little bubble right there, and I can easily rub that out fine. And up here, I'm pretty sure, I think I might have a little lint up there. But so here it is, the Rhinoshield protection on the front. Now you do get that front protector there, and flipping over on the back. Now they did say fingerprint resistant, didn't it? I mean, let me look at the packaging because I'm getting a lot of fingerprints right here. It says fingerprint resistant, easy to clean. So it's not resistant, but it's pretty easy to clean off. All right, cool. I'll give you that. You can't really be fingerprint resistant with shininess, but here it is, man. The front, the back, the rear screen protector, and here it is, the front screen protector from Rhinoshield, man. Check both of these out. I will leave the link down in the description below if you want to check these out, man. But definitely give this video a thumbs up button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about these protectors, man. And let me know, do you think they are the real deal? I don't know if I want to put the hammer test on it, but I really would like to test them out. And of course, man, subscribe to your boy if you rock with me, man. But until then, till next time, I'm going to catch you later.